Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn biochemistry easily, updated. Start by mastering core pathways and focus on patterns instead of isolated facts. Actively recall information each day and use spaced repetition to schedule reviews. Practice drawing pathways and mechanisms by hand. Apply concepts to simple clinical or lab examples to build intuition. Teach a study partner or record yourself explaining topics, allowed to reinforce understanding and spot gaps. Warm up each session with a quick review of previously learned material, and then tackle a single concept deeply. Use 20 to 30-minute focused blocks with short breaks, and make flashcards that target one reaction, enzyme, or regulation point per card. Pair simple diagrams with one-line explanations to lock in meaning. Finally, summarize each session in 2 to 3 spoken sentences to cement learning and identify weak spots. If you're enjoying these tips, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more study strategies. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, a small comfort that keeps you focused during long study days. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Apply what you learn by mapping pathways onto clinical cases or lab experiments, which makes abstract steps memorable. Schedule regular problem sets to expose gaps and build speed. Rotate problem difficulty and revisit tougher items more often. Explain mechanisms aloud as if teaching someone else, which reveals misunderstandings. Finally, track progress weekly and adjust study focus based on which reactions or concepts still cause confusion.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.